Hey everyone, I'm Josh Dean and I have another cocktail for you today coming from my isolation station, the Coffee Collins. Now this is a gin-based cocktail. It is usually just served with soda, but today we're going to mix it up and add a bit of coffee liqueur because you know how I love my coffee. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so with this one, a cup full of ice, so I'm just going to fill this guy up with a tray of ice cubes, 30 mils, big side, of gin, 30 mils of coffee liqueur into this. Concentration face. Awesome. And with this one here, we will prepare the orange. So we're going to slice it, get that Garden of Eden middle slice, Holy Grail, that nice and big, probably too big. Oh, get the sticker off. Alright, no sticker. Premium tonic water. I need a bottle opener. 1 sec. Alright. This is a trick I learned up along the Fitzroy River by a guy named Bill. Damn, it's a hot day. Wouldn't mind a beer. It's not a screw top. I don't have a bottle opener. Oi mate, you got a light? Oi mate, you got a light? Yeah mate, yep, I do, but no cigs. Here you go. Nah mate, I don't need a smoke. The lighter, use it. What do you mean use it? Use it. Use it? Oh. Yeah. I don't know what you mean. Use it. I had no idea about what he was rambling on about at all. So I put the lighter to the bottle. Use it. And I unleashed that bloody beer. Bloody legend. Exactly what I needed. Alrighty. Put that soda in, fill that up. Yeah, we can get a little bit messy. It's okay. Woo! Alrighty. Well, that's fizzling away. I'll pop this onto the top. Wow.